Hi there, I'm Kelly McBride. I'm the opinion page editor with the Green Bay Press-Gazette. Here today to give our readers at home a little bit of an insight into what we do and how we do it. Specifically today we're talking about letters to the editor. Wanted to read a letter to you that for various reasons won't end up running in our paper, but kind of gives an idea of just an example of the wide variety of letters we do receive here at the paper. This particular letter is from, it's either a gentleman or a woman in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. I only have initials for this individual. We generally don't run letters from outside of our readership area unless it's a pertinent topic to our readers, so that's one reason why we won't be running this individual's letter. Also, it does exceed our 200-word limit. Those are just a couple of the criteria that we have for our letters. So without further ado, I will read what this individual had to write about eating animals and that practice in our society. And it begins with, the holiday season is a perfect time to examine our lives. Author C. David Coates wrote an eye-opening poem which, like a mirror, exposes us to truths we may not wish to see. And then it goes on to quote, "Aren't humans amazing? They kill wildlife, birds, deer, all kinds of cats, coyotes, beavers, groundhogs, mice, and foxes by the million in order to protect their domestic animals and their feed. Then they kill domestic animals by the billion and eat them. This in turn kills people by the million because eating all those animals leads to degenerative and fatal health conditions like heart disease, stroke, kidney disease, and cancer. So then humans spend billions of dollars torturing and killing millions more animals to look for cures for these diseases. Elsewhere, millions of other human beings are being killed by hunger and malnutrition because the food they eat is being used to fatten domestic animals. Meanwhile, few people recognize the absurdity of humans, who kill so easily and violently, and once a year send out cards praying for, quote, peace on earth. And then it concludes by saying that each of us has the power to choose compassion, and lists a couple of vegan and vegetarian websites that people can go to. Very well may be a form letter, might be something that is of interest to our readers. However, because the individual and the issue are out of our area, it's one that didn't make the cut. So that's just a short look at what we do and how we do it. Again, I'm Kelly McBride with the Green Bay Press-Gazette. Thank you.